Rivian's struggles to ramp up production due to supply chain disruptions have raised concerns that the company may need to raise capital, and these fears were confirmed. When Rivian announced a drop in its cash position, the company burned $5.05 billion in 2022, almost double the amount used in the previous year. The automaker is building a second plant in eastern Georgia and plans to start production of a smaller, more affordable vehicle in 2026. CEO R.J. Scaringe admitted that the company may have a demand problem. Rivian announced a bond issue aimed at raising $1.3 billion, intending to use the net proceeds to finance its operations and the development of its low-cost vehicle. These notes are qualified as green bonds and the interest rate has not been disclosed. The announcements caused Rivian shares to fall 14.54% on March 7.